perimeter and area. Vivan is decorating his house by using lighting frills around the boundary of the house.
How would we know what length of light is required to decorate the boundary?
Measure the perimeter of the boundary.
What is perimeter?
Perimeter is the total length of the boundary of a closed shape bounded by line segments. Or, the length of a boundary of a closed figure is its perimeter. Perimeter of a polygon. We know that a polygon is a closed figure formed by the line segments. Perimeter of a polygon is equal to the sum of the lengths of its sides. Example, perimeter of this closed figure is equal to the sum of the lengths of its sides.
That is 5 plus 8 plus 7 plus 10 is equal to 30 meter.
Now, let us find the perimeter of a polygon by counting the number of unit lengths along the boundary. Finding the perimeter of a square by counting the unit lengths.
The total number of unit lengths is 12. So, the perimeter of the figure is 12 units.
Perimeter of a triangle. It is the sum of three sides. Example,
the perimeter of given triangle ABC is sum of the lengths of its sides AB plus BC plus CA, that is 5 cm plus 3 cm plus 6 cm equals to 14 cm. Thus, the perimeter of triangle ABC is 14 cm.
Perimeter of a rectangle. It is the sum of its four sides. The length of its opposite sides are equal. Now, labeling the sides. Thus, perimeter of the rectangle A, B, C, D is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Now, substituting the values. Thus, the perimeter of a rectangle is twice the sum of its length and breadth. Example, length of the rectangle is 6 centimeters and breadth of the rectangle is 3 centimeters. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. On solving, we get 18 centimeter as the perimeter of the rectangle ABCD.
We know that a square has all its sides of equal length. So, perimeter of a square is equal to sum of the lengths of its four equal sides or 4 times of its equal side, that's 4 into sides. Thus, the perimeter of a square is 4 times the length of its side.
Example, length of the side of the square is 5 centimeter. Thus, the perimeter of the square is 20 centimeter. To find the perimeter of irregular shapes, use a string to measure the boundary of the figure. The total length of the string is the perimeter. Now, finding the perimeter of the given figure. Start from a point on the curved boundary and put a string around the boundary till the starting point. Measure the length of the string with a ruler. The total length of the string along this boundary gives the perimeter of the curved surface. So, the perimeter of the figure is 15 centimeters. Area. Amount of surface closed by a plane closed figure is its area. Area is measured in square units. Now, calculating the area by counting the number of square units needed to cover the figure. Let us find the area on a square grid. Count the number of complete squares. Thus, the number of complete squares is 10. Now, count the number of half squares. 2 half squares makes 1 whole square. Thus, the area of the figure is 12 square units. Thank you.